My name is John Philbin, and I'm a sales agent here at North Star. Well, I came from a traditional background where I was a financial advisor for years with some of the larger companies, and then we hit the COVID crisis, the pandemic hit. I couldn't get in to see people at their house. They wouldn't let me come out to meet with them, and the offices were closed for bringing clients in, so there had to be another platform that I could still work within, and it just seemed to be a natural fit because North Star generates the leads, allows me to talk to people about their final wishes and needs, and it's a win-win for everybody. Putting me on the phone or, the proverbial in front of them via the phone. So as long as I can get engaged in a meaningful conversation with somebody about what their wishes or goals or needs are, it allows me to then find the product and find the way to help them. The culture here at North Star. Loose, easygoing, a lot of fun. People are very interactive. Any question that I've ever had, everybody goes out of the way to help you find the answer to it. It's not just that it's a team, which it is, but they try to find a way to make it seem more like family and find a way for you to succeed. Johnny, my BA, and Sam, they're not pompous in any way. They're nice people. They're here to try and help you because they realize, as long as we're all part of a family and we're all working and going and pulling the boat in the same direction, then everybody stands a chance to be more successful. North Star's training program helped me along with everything that I already knew because I had 30 years experience in insurance and financial services. But where it did help me was with the script. And the script that they had is a very flowing, dynamic piece that allows you to move the customer along to help them understand the predicament that they may be in, help them to find the solutions that can help them, and then to ultimately to close the case and to get them the coverage they need. I like the fact that we have in-house tele-lead people that are a support for us. When you get the lead scrubbed and it's pre-qualified, you've got a better chance of moving further along and not have them just trying to cut off and get off the phone. The retention team has saved my business. It takes a lot of the pressure off of you, allows you to focus on what you're part of the team. And the fact that if I get a notice that somebody tried to back out or didn't take the policy, I know that I have a back room that's calling them and trying to find out what's wrong, how can we make it right, how do we move forward. And it did happen that the conservation team, I want to say within the first month and a half I was here, somebody tried to back out. And they called and talked to her, and the problem was that she was afraid that she wouldn't have enough money in her account at the time when the policy was due to go in force. So they were able to work with her and back it up a month for her to get the policy in force for her. I'd like to thank North Star for trusting me and wanting to have me on the team, but more than that, I think that North Star offers something that existing agents, lifetime agents or advisors can take advantage of because the dynamics of the world are changing. If you have a quality company that scrubs the leads, get good leads, gets you in front of people via the phone, you don't have to drive 2.5 hours to the other side of the state to meet with somebody and then have them not show up, or try to get somebody into your office because your office is closed and you can't have them in there anymore. Because of the pandemic, they don't want you in their house. This is a platform that allows you to continue to move ahead with your profession and talk to people all around the country that you can help that never knew that they had access to your professional abilities. So yeah, it is a big plus. I think the world's changing.